Good morning! Kirby Andag pala. So, I'm here to share my favorite app at the moment. So, alam naman natin na tuwing bagong taon, marami tayong fitness goals. So, i-share ko ang isa sa aking fitness apps na paborito na pwede sa Android at pwede rin sa iOS. So, ito siya. It's called Heavy App. And ang magandang benefit nito for me is it allows me to track and measure my goals. So, ano nga ba siya? Ang Heavy App, pwede natin siyang gamitin whenever we do workouts. So, it's easy, it's free, and it enables us to create our workout logs. Depende kung anong gusto natin. At meron na rin siyang repository ng exercise na pwede natin gawin. So, the benefits from it, you will get, you'll be able to create and log your workouts. So, meron siyang listahan ng mga workouts that you can choose from its repository without having to search. So, type mo na lang yung names. So, marami ring available na workouts like kettlebell, cardios, at pwede ring gym-based equipments. Number 2, you can set your routines. So, you can set your routines depending on what you want. By time, by set, by distance, depende kung ano ang gusto mong gawin. Pati nga skating nagagawa dito. Also, another benefit from it is that it allows you to measure your progress. So, sa app na to, merong calendar wherein makikita mo kung kailan ka nag-workout. Also, kung matyaga kang mag-log ng data, makikita mo kung saan ka na nanggaling, ilan yung nabuhat mo, at pati rin yung body measurements mo. Isa pa sa benefits nito ay community. So, it also works like a social media platform wherein you can connect to other people who are fitness enthusiasts or beginners, allowing you to have some motivation or inspiration in terms of your working out. Also, ang pinakagusto ko dito, it connects to your devices. So, even without your phone or even when you're away from your phone, pwede kang mag-workout offline and matatrack na siya ng watch mo at ilalagay na yung data mo. So, kung gusto mong magpapayat or kung gusto mong mag-workout or to build a fitness habit for this year, I suggest you try this Heavy App. Madali lang siya, punta ka lang sa iOS or sa Android, download it, it's free, and explore and enjoy your workouts. So, yun lang. Thank you!